today, and we'll see you again with the markets on Wednesday now. With that, let's quickly move on and take a look at Britannia. What is troubling Britannia in today's trading action? It's down about 2% and that has been ever since the morning, actually, because CLSA came out with a note on this company and they have downgraded this to a sell. Earlier, the rating was an underperform. Mangalam's here with the details. Mangalam, what is CLSA's argument?
Well, CLSA's argument on Britannia before downgrading the stock from underperform to sell with a target price of 4,060 odd rupees is the fact that they believe that there is a downside risk to consensus margin estimates. It will be very interesting to see how the story actually plays out, primarily because, you know, the company's third quarter margins were 19.5% and 1 year forward consensus margins is around 17.5%. So a lot of people have actually factored in some sort of moderation. Will there be further moderation or not is the big question. What does CLSA fear? Higher milk and wheat prices. Well, from the peak, wheat has actually declined by about 32% and milk prices, while they're still near all-time high, it's accounting for only about 5 to 6% of their overall raw material basket. CLSA believes that going forward, Britannia will, see volume-led growth and not price-led growth. That usually happens when companies don't take price hikes, and price hikes are when, there is some stability in raw material prices. So if that actually happens, then it's a little bit of a conflict out there. The big problem, however, is Britannia's rallied 30% in the last 12 months or so, and that makes CLSA believe that there is further limited room for further upside. Not just that, 39 quarters of market share gains coming in for Britannia also means that going forward, incremental market share gains as per CLSA would be a little more difficult. They've cut their FY23 to FY25 EPS estimates by 1 to 11 odd %, and as a result of which they've downgraded the stock.
Okay, thank you very much for that. The stock is also trading at nearly 50 times forward multiple, and according to CLSA, the fair valuation should be 42 times FY24 PE. Sudeep Bandopadhyay, the group chairman of Indie Trade Capital, is with us on the show now.